So today in our class, EVS class, we will learn a new thing that about sense organs. Sense organs. Do you know that how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 sense organs are our eyes, our ears, our nose, our tongue and our skin. Okay, means eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Those 5 sense organs works daily, means every time. Suppose how you think that how our eyes works. Okay, when we are seeing something around us or any object, suppose here it's our book. Okay, so how can we understand that it's book? By seeing the book we can understand that it is book. So with our eyes we can see everything around us. Okay, next sense organ is our ears. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears. So how it's help? We can hear anything, any kind of sound. Suppose your mobile is ringing, or suppose any messages coming, then some ring or any tune that means inform you that phone is ringing. So how you can understand? When you hear the sound with your ears, then you can understand that phone is ringing, or someone rang that bell, your doorbell. Then you can understand how that your doorbell is means your door is knocking. That sound when reach to your ears, you can understand that bell is ringing. So with our ears we can hear any kind of sound. Next sense organ is nose. And how nose works? Nose helps us to take the smell, the particular smell. When flowers bloom, the smell is coming very beautiful, very nice. Means from the rose one kind of smell, from jasmine there also one kind of smell, then another any kind of flowers, their smells are different. Okay, so how you can understand? Means you identify with your nose that smells are different. Or suppose your mama is cooking some delicious food, the smell is coming very nicely. So that good smell, how you can understand? That when the smell come to your nose, you can understand, yes, mama is cooking something and it's very delicious food. Okay, next part is, next sense organ is our tongue, that part inside our mouth. How it's help? When we are having some food, we can take the taste of that food. If we are having some sweets, the taste is sweet. Suppose you are having some raw mango or tamarind, means imli. So how you feel? That taste is sour. And if you are having that bitter ground or neem leaves, you think that no, the taste is so bitter and the medicine taste, okay, that syrup or medicine taste, it's bitter. How you can understand? When it goes to our tongue, means touch our tongue, so we can understand that the tastes are different from each other. Some tastes are sweet, some are bitter, some are sour, like this. And of course when mama makes delicious food, the taste is very nice, and when you are taste that food, you can understand, yes, it's very tasty and delicious. And the last sense organ is our skin. Our skin. And how it's work? If suppose ant or mosquito bites here in your hand or any part of your body, how you can understand? Because when that insect bites you, then you can understand that means your skin is informed you that something is biting that your skin. Then you can understand that yes, mosquito or ants bite is there. So with our eyes we can see everything, with our ears we can hear any kind of sound, with our nose we take different kind of smell, with our tongue we take that taste of the food, and with our skin we can feel any kind of touch. When suppose your friend touch your hand, then you can understand, yes, my means best friend touch my hand, he or she wants to handshake. That's you understand that when he or she touch your hand. Okay, so that kind of things our sense organs every time they working. Okay.